A body that is overloaded with toxins cannot perform its normal cleansing job that is required for optimal health. In addition to naturally occurring toxins, it is estimated that more than 400 man-made chemicals as well as heavy metals permeate the body of a person today. Naturally, if these toxins are not removed from the body, they can cause chronic health ailments. It is therefore very necessary to detox and cleanse the body from these toxins and pollutants. One way that is gaining much popularity as a convenient method to detox is the Detox Foot Patch. The foot patch is simply a patch sachet filled with some natural plant-based ingredients that is applied on the soles of the feet. It has been widely touted as a simple and reasonably effective way to remove waste, toxins, microscopic parasites, heavy metals, chemicals and even cellulite, as some manufacturers claim. Subscribe to Natural Herbs channel, click the bell icon below to get the notification for every new video upload. Also share and like the video with comments. Why detox through the foot? According to Chinese traditional medicine, our human body has over 360 acupuncture points, with more than 60 acupuncture points found on the soles of the foot. Known as the second heart, they reflect the zones of our major internal organs. These zones also indicate potential homes for toxins. Circulation of blood and lymphatic fluids reach their furthest points in the soles of the feet before being pumped back up into the higher areas of the body. Subscribe to Natural Herbs channel, click the bell icon below to get the notification for every new video upload. Also share and like the video with comments. By applying the patch to the foot, the patch extracts toxins from the body through the blood that circulates in the soles. After putting on the patch for a couple of hours, it turns dark black, with a pungent smell. Changes in the smell and color of the sachet indicate the amount and degree of toxins which have been extracted via the patch. For a thorough and complete body cleanse, it is still better to go through a proper detox program. But for those who find it difficult to take the time off to detox and cleanse, the Detox Foot Patch is a convenient and safe option to consider. Simply apply the patch to the soles of your foot overnight and look at your results in the morning. Thanks for watching.